Hi everyone, welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, your friendly English guide, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Adam. Together, we'll help you learn English through stories, emotions, and real-life conversations.
Because English isn't just grammar or books, it's life. It's how we talk, laugh, dream, and connect with people everywhere.
In every episode, we'll explore everyday topics, like travel, friendship, food, jobs, and feelings, so you can speak English naturally and confidently.
You'll learn new words, real expressions, and fun idioms. And we'll practice them together so you can sound fluent step by step.
So if you're an English learner who loves warm stories, easy lessons, and friendly vibes, this is your world. Welcome to Amjee's English World.
Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.
Let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Amjee's English World, where learning English feels fun and friendly.
Hey there, I'm Adam, and today we're taking you inside the classroom.
Yes, you'll learn how to ask and answer questions naturally, just like real students do every day.
So grab your notebook and your favorite pen. Let's go to class together.
Good morning, class. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you, Ms. Alice. How about you?
I'm doing well, Adam. Thank you for asking. Now, who can tell me what photosynthesis means?
I'm not sure. Can you explain it, please?
Of course. Photosynthesis means how plants make food from sunlight. Let's look at a few classroom words together. Repeat after us.
Notebook. A book you write notes in. Repeat after me. Notebook. Notebook.
Question. Something you ask. When you want to know something, repeat after me. Question.
Question.
Answer. What you say when someone asks you something. Repeat after me. Answer. Answer.
Once when I was in school, I was too shy to ask a question.
Oh, really? What happened?
I didn't understand the lesson, but when I finally asked, my teacher smiled and said, "Good question, Alice." And you know what? Everyone else had the same question.
That's such a great reminder. Never be afraid to ask. In English, we say, there's no such thing as a silly question.
Yes, it means every question helps you learn. Repeat after us.
Can you explain that, please? Can you explain that, please?
What does that mean?
What does that mean? I don't understand. Could you say it again? I don't understand. Could you say it again?
Perfect. You sound just like real English speakers now.
Remember, asking questions is how you grow. Every I don't know is a door to new learning.
So be brave, be curious, and keep practicing with us here at Amjee's English World.
Don't forget to like, subscribe it, and comment below. What's one question you want to ask in English today?
We'll see you in the next lesson. Bye, everyone.